In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access special features. In them, click on simple mode at the bottom and choose enter simple mode. As you can see, after that, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, click on devices settings, tap on exit simple mode and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!